Welcome to Learning Max Whiteboard YouTube channel. So today we are going to see JEE Main 2026 answer key. So Jan 21, Jan 21st answer key. So first question, look at the first question we have. The value of cosecant 10 degree minus root 3 secant 10 degree. So we should find cosecant 10 degree minus root 3 secant 10 degree. So this is what the question. So we know that cosecant is a reciprocal of sine. So sine 10 degree minus root 3 divided by secant, we can write it a reciprocal of cos. So cos 10 degree. Then we should do the cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means, so 1 into cos theta, so we have to multiply these two, 1 into cos theta and then root 3 into sin theta and sin 10 degree and cos 10 degree. So that is what we have to do here. So cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree divided by sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. So next what I am going to do, so I am going to multiple 2 and divided by 2 also. So here the thing we should do multiple 2 and divided by 2 also. So then, so 2 is outside. So here we can write 1 by 2 cos 10 degree minus root 3 by 2 sin 10 degree. Then divided by sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. So next step what I'm going to do, so 1 by 2 we can write that as sin 30 degree. So sin 30 degree into cos 10 degree minus root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 that we can write as cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree into sin 10 degree divided by sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Next we all know that this is looks like sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So we can write it sin A minus B 30 degree minus 10 degree. Next what I'm going to do, again numerator denominator multiple. So into 2 and here also 2 sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Then next step 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 it could be 4. 4 into sin 10 degree, sorry, sin 30 degree minus 10 degree divided by 2 sin A cos A, that is going to be right sin 2A. We all know that sin 2A, it is going to be right 2 sin A cos A. So that we know that, so we can write it sin 2 into 10 degree. So then 4 into, this could be written as sin 20 degree divided by sin 20 degree. So sin 20 get cancelled. So 4 is the result. So first question answer option 3, 4 is the answer. So the value of cosecant 10 degree minus root 3 secant degree, it gives 4. Then we will see next question. So next question, the sum of roots of the equation. So we have a equation modulus x minus 1 the whole square minus 5 into modulus x minus 1 plus 6 equal to 0. Now I am going to assume that, let us assume that t equal to modulus x minus 1. So the equation becomes, the quadratic equation becomes t square minus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. Then we should find the root. So the root is t minus 3 into t minus 2 equal to 0. So obviously t minus 3 equal to 0, t equal to 3. Similarly t minus 2 equal to 0, t equal to 2. So t we know that is modulus x minus 1 equal to 3. Then modulus x minus 1 equal to 2. So x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 3. So x minus 1 equal to 3 in the sense x equal to 4. Then x minus 1 equal to minus 3 in the sense x equal to minus 2. Then coming to this thing, So that is x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 2. So x minus 1 equal to 2, x equal to 3, then x minus 1 equal to minus 2, then x equal to minus 1. So we got 4 answers. So we need to add it because sum of the roots. So 4 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1. So 7 minus 3, the result is 4. So the sum of roots is equal to 4 is the answer. The solution sum of roots of the equation is equal to 4. Then we will see the third question. We move on to question number 3. So question number 3 we have, which is from geometric progression. So geometric progression, if a1, a2, a3 are increasing GP, so that is what we have to look at, increasing GP, such that we have a1 plus a2 plus a3 is equal to 21. Then a1 into a3 into a5, it is equal to 64. Then find a1 plus a2 plus a3. So we are going to take a1, a2, a3, a4 that are all increasing geometric progression. So I'm going to take it as a r square is the first term, and then a power 3. So I mean a3, that is going to be a, and a5 a r square, because we know that a1 can be written as a by r square, then a2 can be written as a by r, and a3 third term a3 going to be a alone, then a4 is going to be ar, then a5 is going to be a r square. So that is what a1 a by r square, r square, then a3 a, then a5 a r square. Now with this we can find the value of a by r square into a r square. So r square get cancel, equal to 64. Then a power 3 equal to 64, obviously a equal to 4. So we know that a equal to 4. Then with the help of this thing, a1 plus a2, a1 plus a3 plus a5 equal to 21. a1 plus a3 plus a5 equal to 21. Now a1 can be written as a by r square plus a3 a, then a5 a r square equal to 21. So numerator we have a as a common, so we have to take it common as outside. So a by r square plus 1 plus r square, it is equal to 21. Then 1 by r square plus 1 plus r square is equal to 21 by 4. Then 1 goes to this side, means it will be negative. So 1 by r square plus r square equal to 21 by 4 minus 1. So 1 by r square plus r square equal to 17 by 4. Then we should find the r value. So r is going to be plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 1 by 2. R is equal to 2 only because it is increasing GP. So increasing GP, we should take r as a 2. If you are taking 1 by 2 means it will not consider as increasing GP. So strictly we have to take r equal to 2. So we know that a equal to 4 and r equal to 2. So what is the question they are asking? We should find a1 plus a2 plus a3. So a1 plus a2 plus a3. So we know that a is going to be 4 and r is going to be 2. So a1 in the sense that is a by r power 2 plus a2 a by r plus a3 a. Now we have to substitute the value here. So I'm going to take a as a common, then 1 by r square plus 1 by r plus 1. So 4 1 by r square, that is 4, 1 by r 2 plus 1. Then 4 power 4 by 4, 4 by 2, 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 4, the answer is 7. Answer is 7. 7 is the answer. So the question a1 plus a2 plus a3, that is going to be answer as 7. So here important thing is increasing geometric progression. So increasing geometric progression, even though we got r as a 2 value, 2 and 1 by 2, we have to go for r equal to 2. So initially we found that a equal to 4 and r equal to 2. Now once you know a value and r value, you have to substitute here. Then you know the value of a1 plus a3 plus a5 is 21. Then the question asked for what is a1 plus a2 plus a3? That is 7. Then the next question we can go. Consider a set S equal to A, B, C, D. We have 4 elements A, B, C, D, A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D. Then the number of reflexive as well as symmetric relation we have to find from S to S. So we have a formula for this. So the formula is 2 power n square minus n divided by 2. Here n means number of the elements in the set. So that is 4. So 2 power 4 square minus 4 divided by 2. 16 minus 4 divided by 2. So 2 power 12 by 2, that is 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 in the sense 64 is the answer. Then the number of reflexive as well as symmetric relation from S to S is 64 is the answer. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.